We have three ways to add text in Pixi.js. The simplest option is using HTML and CSS to create and style the text. This approach is ideal if you prioritize accessibility and, most importantly, if SEO is essential for your app. Another option is to use Pixi.js text objects, which is the way to go if you are building a game or a complex interactive application. In this tutorial, I'll cover this option, so I'll start by importing the text class, then instantiate it. The constructor method takes an object as an argument in which we set the text to be displayed in the style properties. Now, say we have multiple text instances with the same style. It would be less redundant and more clean if we have a single source of style that we can use in all text instances. To do that, I'm going to import the text style class, create an instance of it, and then pass it to the style property of this text object, as well as any other text instances that need the same style. In case you want to add an external font, you can do that by using HTML or CSS embedded code. This may seem to work, but I strongly recommend against it unless you're adding text using HTML, and I'll explain why in a later video. Lastly, the Pixi.js website offers a Wizzywig tool to create and visualize text and generate the style code so you can easily use it in your applications. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.